Trader Association today expressed deep concern over the sudden closure of markets by the Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia's district to contain the spread of COVID-19 in the district. While disapproving of the order issued by the Deputy Commissioner, the President of the Shillong Jaintia Traders Association, Wailalinkot, said the order will badly affect the people belonging to the economically weaker sections of the society. The organization regretted that there was big confusion among the people in and around Jowai who left their activities in order to purchase essential commodities from any of the shops that was open at the time. The organization also regretted that the traders will have to incur huge loss as they will not be able to sell their perishable goods in the coming days.
Inay liang ka rilom Jaintia Trader Association da bi menseni wa snyausi wo tip sendet ya ka order ko wa in ka office yong di kom puti commissioner hijing to wa ka jing khang yaw khang hat kat kam ka order wa yo in udi puti commissioner wa da khanai I wa to nei daw wa da kuri kanika jingpor ka yong ni COVID-19 nei tai daw da ha u khang ki ya ki hat han rei hau kar unyi chi ki yaw ki hat ki yong I wa yo kham tam ki nong dai chor ki nong dai ki mar ba mar di man ko pen kerniat ia do kata wadah bila di mesin usnya si uyo wa kamon ke sarkar emde berkat koi igi kup ciliang gisem ciliang wahi pori wat bian wa arterik uyo ordari te heimet citen siaw yong ke arterik ukhang no ya kini ki yang wihat hejing skiat ke sarkar tok pen bena ko I wai ko I pori rap koloj khnang wa kam ki nong chongdai chong thet yo tibi u pelot ye ki tiari ko dap yo lai ile thet ye ki mar ki mata le kar uyi ki so ki chor ki wa ka ki nong chongdai yo I thet ki ni bha ne man ko ka Ngi ko nong kong yong kati yaw boni na I ki nong chong dai do thit chi bon ki mar ki mata la ka sarkar khang ko kam ni chewon nung di no gi ni ki mar ki mata yong I kham tam gi ni ki mar pot bat hijing to wa ka ni ka jing khang yaw I na ka liang yong ka rilom Jaintia Trader Association dat bi ka men sen ko snyao khia wo ko snyao si wa ka sarkar mu khen snap ko I la da ka ni ko kom ka sarkar u ai ba ko ki order khang mentu nga yo wa ka jing do nong man ko kro ni menta ki nong chong yaw chong hat yong I wat kam jo le ya ki paj ba ki wa wan thet wan pet le kamon pendap penbiang ki I bha kat kam ko order to ko order ko wa khang ai ye ko order ko wa jo em pentip ki wat hejing ye to ko ni chwa wo yo ini order le I na ga liang ga seng kam ki nong chong dai chong thet ki ya ga perchangi persyao tho ya ki nong chong dai ki yong I wo em kam ai ki ka ni ketika Hendrai haden wa yo ikat kam ka report ko yo ini nong chong dai kau MG ka man rupa persen plus ki redap etika man ada kani ka dor ka sarkar khang go le no ai kani ka jing injak yong I pari jing nye to kani lengba kani hu bor iwan ra I ka sarkar wala MG won ki lockdown le ne ki jing khang ya khang hat ka sarkar to wai go I ka jing tip ko rap kloj pari jing nye to kani ini ka liang ka Senyi kam kinong chong dai kam kinong mala daw la ya chemi wo deputy commissioner yo klam halor gani ke jing e yong kinong chong dai ha ki yaw go per ko em po rilom Jaintia yong I